1986 K20 LS swap. Changing out the transmission tunnel from the cab over to a donor cab that was an automatic, going back with the manual like it was from the factory. Cut my hump out of the 86 cab first, laid it in my 83 cab on top of that automatic tunnel, cut it out, cleaned up the edges so it'll weld, fixing to go in and re-weld it. Got it all welded in, 1,000,000 spot welds and a little primer. Not the best, but it'll work. There is a couple of little pinholes I gotta fix where I blew through, but I was doing this with a 120 volt Lincoln little flux core MIG welder. About 90% of that weld was done with this little welder right here till it broke. And it was a pain. So I finished it up with this right here. I'll do a review on this welder later, but if you're looking for a welder and gonna do a little sheet metal work, I would suggest getting this one. The weld went a lot better once I started using this compared to that little flux core. All right, gonna put it up on the lift now and get under here and clean up this disaster from that little flux core welder. See if I can fix it right with a good gas MIG welder. Got everything cleaned up, flipped the cab up, sandblasted the whole bottom, epoxy primed it with the Raptor liner primer, and then put my seam sealer on the weld. Fixing to spray Raptor liner on it now and be ready to put on the frame.